Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now paneer is a delight for many vegetarians and I personally love any snacks made with paneer, even side dishes and main courses like pulaus and parathas. I actually made a lot of these recipes a while ago. Just in case you guys missed out on them, you can click on the links provided in the description and right away watch all those videos. So today I'm going to make an easy yet delectable desi style paneer pakoras and some delicious mint chutney that goes along with it. It's a great snack for your tea time, especially when you're having some guests over. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken 400 grams of fresh paneer in total. Each block is about 200 grams. I'm just going to cut it in the center and divide it into two equal parts. Then I'm going to be cutting it into smaller pieces. So you can cut into desired size and shape however you like. Once you've cut all the paneer pieces, just drop them into a bowl. So I'm just going to season it and marinate it for about 10 minutes with a few ingredients. Starting with quarter cup of turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, and 1 teaspoon of Chaat Masala powder. Now gently mix everything well. Make sure all the paneer pieces are coated with this masala mix. Once that's done, keep it aside. To another bowl, I've taken 1 cup of besan, that's gram flour. To this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of maida. Now maida is optional, but what it does is it gives a very nice coating to the pakoras. Next, add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon Ajwain. Just crush it between your palms and add it. And a few dried Kasuri Methi leaves. This is also going to give you a nice flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves. And finally add quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Now if you don't have baking powder, you can also use baking soda. Gently mix everything. Now gradually pour a little water at a time and make the batter. Now you don't want it too runny, so make sure you add little water at a time to get the right consistency. So what we're doing is we're just beating the batter with the fingers so that the baking powder that we've added is going to get activated. So once you've got the right consistency for the batter, just keep it aside. Let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the mint chutney. For the mint chutney, to the mixer jar, I'm adding a bowl of fresh mint leaves, a bowl of fresh coriander leaves, 2 small shallots chopped, a piece of ginger chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, and then add about 2 teaspoons of roasted peanuts, 1 teaspoon Amchur Powder, 1 teaspoon Cumin Powder, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 teaspoon of black salt, what we call as Kala Namak. So once you've added all the ingredients, add a little water and grind it to a nice fine chutney. The green chutney looks amazing. It looks so fresh and it's going to burst with flavors. Now keep the chutney aside. So we have the batter ready and the paneer pieces have been marinating. It's time to make the pakoras. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Take the paneer pieces, dip it into the batter. Make sure it's completely coated with the batter. You can see the batter has coated the paneer pieces so beautifully. Once the oil is hot, gently drop the paneer pieces. Deep fry the paneer till you get a lovely golden brown color. Make sure to fry these paneer pieces in batches. You don't want to overcrowd the kadai. You can see how they're just puffing up so beautifully. Here are these absolutely delicious, freshly made paneer pakoras that you must enjoy nice and hot with this deliciously spicy mint chutney. And I'm also serving it with a little ketchup. Of course, the evening tea time is never complete without any of these freshly made hot homemade snacks. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I'm sure you're going to try it and enjoy your tea time as well. So there you go, that's it. It hardly took me about half an hour to make these delicious paneer pakoras. And just in case you're craving for some nice street food, I would say this is the perfect go-to snack. Do try it, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.